How to use battery share on Google Pixel phone. This feature lets you wirelessly charge other devices from the back of your Pixel phone. So to get started, first go to settings, click on settings, then type in the search battery share, then click on battery share, then make sure to click on battery share again here, and here you can enable it. So this feature will basically convert your phone into like a wireless charger by placing things like devices at the back of the phone. And here you can choose like what percentage to stop charging so that your phone doesn't die, and then here you can adjust it. And that's pretty much it. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.